Alright guys, what's going on? Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? Well, I've been doing, with my GoPro, a bunch of different videos. I just got a whole crap load of squirrel cage motors. More than I've ever seen at one time. And apparently I'm going to be getting more of them. But yeah, so I made several videos already, a couple of them. They're long kind of form videos. I just want to make one video on a quick, easy, fast way to recover your motor with that copper goodness, hopefully. So let's go grab one of these squirrel cages that I've picked up, tear it down. I don't know how many times I've said this on my videos, but these things can be intimidating. You look at that thing and you think, oh man, how in the world am I going to disconnect? How am I going to disconnect all that? How am I going to disconnect all that? Can I even get to what needs to be disconnected? And yeah, you actually can. Right through here. If you want everything, you can find a way right through there, whether you just break through with a hammer or get something in there just to pry on it. But for me, personally, I'm going to the end. Right here. I'm going to this end. And, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and remove these first. That's going to be the first thing I take off right there. Yep, sure it is. Get rid of them, put them little nuts and bolts right into your strike box. Yes, sir. See why I did that? I did that so that I can have a little bit more room down there. Because I know that squirrel cage is not coming off. So remove them. Go ahead and get rid of any wire that's hanging out. I throw that right into my wire box over there. Now, there's a quarter driver there and a quarter driver there. That's what I'm wanting to get to. Can I reach around? You don't have to on this one because it doesn't. Only a short one. This type of motor, it's short ones. Okay, you're gonna have to do these motors a little bit different than you would do some of them other motors. In the way, well, here we go. Look. Okay, now that I have that cover off, that exposes my quarter drivers that are right here on the top of this motor. And hopefully, nope, it's spinning. Fingers won't hold it. Ah, spinning. Fingers won't hold it. That leaves you one choice. One choice only. If you want that motor, you're now going to have to cut that shaft. So now we need to find out, what do we do to cut that shaft? Well, I want to be close to the motor as I can. I'm going to take it right here, see if I can't make an opening. Big enough to get my Sawzall blade into. That's all I need. Just an opening big enough to get my Sawzall blade into. Okay. Yep, just big enough for that. I'm in. Trying to turn on it. All you need to do is cut a few of them fins out of your way and then flip them right back. That's going to expose the shaft that needs to come off of there in order for you to get your motor out. You're going to need a long blade. Like that. Nice clean. Oh yeah, copper. She's copper. All copper. I can also get rid of this outside if I want to, and then we can figure out how we're gonna cut that copper off of there, right? Probably by cutting these right down here after this case is off, which comes off fairly easy with the Sawzall. Much better than ice. There you go. Cut, 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 and then pop it out the other side. It's a beautiful thing. What's next? Well, another one of them motors is what's next. Wherever there's a will, there's obviously a way. So that was just one way of doing one of these fan motors. I've got a bunch more to do. I am literally just getting started. I think I've done 10 of them already. So I've got that many left. And I'm gonna go through these, and I'm not gonna stop until I'm finished. Everything. I don't care if it takes me 2 days. Got some good wire I'm gonna be stripping. So if this is the kind of, look at that good wire they got in there. Man, look at that. It's gonna be stripped. It's gonna be stripped, all of it. Thrown in that one bucket. We're just gonna see what I got of copper wire in this trip. Not counting everything I've thrown in that bucket. But anyways, hey guys, that's it. What do you think? Make sure you ring that bell. So you're notified next time I put out a video, guys, because you never know what it's gonna be. Look at the goodness. It's everywhere. All right. It's all got to be taken apart. If that's what you want to see, you definitely want to come back here to see all of this get tore apart. And we'll see you on the next one.